Oh, it's just a really delicious carrot. I mean, oh yeah, oh, it's good stuff. I mean, it'd be better if I had some dip, maybe some ranch. Something would be. Hang on, it's still pretty good, even without dip. Yeah, okay, come here. I got it. Go, come to Papa.